Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.